Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. I am so excited to be here and I want to say that thank you guys so much for those new subscribers that are coming in. I am so happy and I'm just so happy because I never thought about this was ever gonna happen, but I am here because this video is going to be a little bit different and I just cannot wait for you guys to see it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I also want to mention that I have a new camera holder. It's my daughter. She's actually filming me. She loves doing these stuff. She loves helping me, and she just does such an amazing job. She told me that I was like, I'm gonna make a video, and she's like, I'm gonna help you. So I was like, okay, let's do it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys some stuff that we're doing in the house. So currently outside, we are going to be going outside. This is my first time ever showing you guys what my backyard is looking like right now. Right now, let me just say it's looking like a mess. There's a lot of stuff everywhere because there's a project going on back there. I thought this was a very perfect opportunity to share with you guys how this process will look like from beginning to finish. So let's go over there, let's go outside, and let me go share with you guys what the project is looking at right now because it's a huge mess, and please do not mind the mess. All right, you guys, so we are currently outside. It's super sunny out here, but I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what my backyard looks like, and it's a huge mess. Let me just stand right here, that way I can see you guys. I really hope you guys like and enjoy this video because this is something new and I like it, and let me know what you guys think. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera over and share with you guys what is happening over there and what's looking at right now. So let's go ahead and let me turn over the camera so you guys can see. Okay, so this is what the backyard is looking at. There's a huge mess, as you guys can see. There's like these big I don't even know what these are called. You guys see it, but we have to get rid of those, and this is what it looks like right now. There's my little dog, but over here, all of this we are planning to put cement. So I'll go over there and share with you guys what that side looks like. But I wish I could have shared with you guys before. These rocks right here were all over there, so like where my fingertip is, and it was out of control. But yeah, so there's this big machine, they're working on it, and I am super excited because I cannot wait until there's like cement here, and for my daughter so she can put her like trampoline next year, or like a pool maybe, who knows. So right now there's just dirt everywhere. There's my little doggy, bien escandaloso, but I love him. But here we go. Over here there's just dirt everywhere, little rocks right here. Let's see here. There's my AC. Don't mind the noise. So this is what it looks like right here. I am obsessed with this wall right here. They actually made it all the way back there, and I like it. So all right here is going to be filled with cement from right there all the way back. I just cannot wait, you guys. I cannot. One thing that I did forget to mention are those rocks right there. So we actually didn't buy them. They just were here at the house, and we just decided to make a wall. And it really worked out because it's all in the way in the front. I know you guys can't see, but these rocks were reusable and very helpful. So that was a win-win for us. I really like it though. It's very taller than you, my love. I know. She's like so excited, but I just cannot wait, you guys, to share with you guys what this will look like right when it finishes. And then over here, so I think where they're going to stop is where that orange dot is, and then just bring it all the way here, all the way to that end over there. I'm just excited. I just cannot wait, so we can have this space filled with cement, and my daughter can actually like use her like her scooter or her skates or something. What right here, I just cannot wait. But yeah, this is what the mess is looking like right now, and we have to get rid of those and get rid of those things, and I'm not too sure about that. I don't know what that is, But yeah, there's some stuff right there, her trampoline stuff, and some more wood right there. It's just crazy. But let me share with you guys, now that I'm out here, I'm gonna share with you guys my pears. Look at the pears. Look at how cute. I have like 5 of them, is that right? 6 of them actually. Look how cute they are. I just love them. I cannot wait to eat them and pick them and just eat them.
Actually, I have 7.
Oh, there you go. 7 pears. Love them.
Looking good.
So yeah, you guys, that is my backyard. It's looking like a hot mess. I just cannot wait for it to be all ready, and that way we can just use that space for like other stuff. Maybe park cars, or like I said, maybe for my daughter so she can use like her bike. You know, not her bike, but her, like her scooter, or I don't know, like her skates around there. But we just cannot wait. My backyard is a huge mess, but I like to make these kind of videos because that way you guys can see like the before and then the after. I just cannot wait for you guys to see it because I am super excited. Hopefully next week they will start and put the cement down, and I will share some clips here and there. And yeah, so let's go back inside and see what I have to go do inside and clean. We are now in here. I'm in my bedroom, but I am going to go ahead and start organizing and rearranging and getting rid of stuff that's in my closet, just because, like, believe it or not, it is super messy and it just needs like extra love in there. And I got some, like, I think they're called like Wicker, I can't even pronounce it, baskets. I'll show you guys in a little bit that I want to put them up there so I can just put like random stuff, like, I'm not sure, like I have some notebooks and stuff like that I need to go in there, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to organize it. And I'm going to show you guys right now what it looks like. That way you guys know what I'm talking about. So let me turn you guys over. So these right here, these are the baskets that I want to use, and I want to put please do not mind my closet because it's a huge mess. So I kind of want to put them like up there because I have to put those stuff in those baskets. And yes, there's a whole bunch of stuff, like those blankets are just crazy, and I just feel like these baskets will match just because I have those two, and I just have to put some clothes away. And this one's just super wrinkly. I just have to wrinkle it. That's why I leave it right here. That way I can iron it. And these are just extra hangers. I know I've showed you guys how to organize my closet on another video, but this just needs help. It does. Like, look at that. This is so messy. And also what I'm planning is on getting rid of some of these shoes, because literally, like, for example, like these shoes right here, I've never wore them, maybe like just once. And I've never wore all of these, none of those. And yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be getting rid of them and just kind of like move some stuff like from this side maybe to that side. I don't know. My laundry hamper is right there, so I'm probably gonna leave that. But yeah, my main goal is just to kind of get this stuff here and the shoes maybe, and then rearrange this stuff and then put that, I don't know, put that stuff away, and then those baskets, put them up there. So let me go ahead and share with you guys how I'm going to do it. Okay, so before I start taking some stuff out, I wanted to share with you guys this little step stool that I did get, that I got, and I love it so much. It's so helpful. So this is what it looks like. It has like this cheetah print and these polka dot stuff on the top, but look how cute this is. Like, these are just my vibes. I love it so much. Like, we match together. Like, I am obsessed with this print. It's not even funny. Like, you guys probably seen me with this shirt like multiple times in other videos, but you know what, that's okay because this is one of my favorite shirts. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking that stuff out and using this bad boy so I can reach up there because it's super tall, and we are organizing it. So let's go. was like the most hardest part of this video, just because I was just literally just sitting here and overthinking about it. I held some shoes, I looked at them so many times, I sat here for a long time, and I just couldn't get rid of any of my shoes. I don't know why, you guys. I just love shoes. I've always had this obsession, which is not okay. But let me know if you guys are obsessed with shoes as much as I am, because to be honest, I only use like 4 pairs of shoes throughout all of the ones that I do have, and it's kind of sad because the other ones are just accumulating dust and stuff like that. But yeah, you guys, I didn't get rid of any of my shoes, unfortunately. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Here going on right now is I went ahead and put all of my planners and extra notebooks, or whatever you guys want to call those, in there, and this is going to be in here for just for this time, just because this is the only thing that I do have. These papers are just very important papers. I just don't want to get rid of them, and they're like the longer papers, if that makes sense. They're going to be sticking out, but that's okay. I'll just kind of put this towards the wall kind of ish, and just deal with it for right now until I figure out where I can put them. But if you guys have any suggestions on where to put, like, or file these or something, if you guys have an idea, let me know in the comment section, because this looks very crazy to me, but this will do. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab those 2 and bring them up. Maybe put one here and then the other one here, and kind of scoop this one towards kind of in the middle, and I will be sharing with you guys what it looks like. So let's go. So here is the final look of this closet. I ended up not getting rid of any shoes, like I mentioned before, and I just kind of put the sweater away and just kind of left it how it was. And I didn't make any huge big difference, besides right here, which I totally love. I like how it just looks with these baskets. I absolutely love it. This is the kind of vibe that I'm trying to go for my home, and I just love it, you guys. And I really hope you guys like this kind of different video. Let me know what you guys thought about it, and I just cannot wait to do some more videos for you guys. And thank you guys so much for coming back and I will talk to you guys next time. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys. Bye.